It's going to naturally condition your hair as well as your scalp, okay? So for all those with a dry scalp, this may be a conditioner that you may want to check out. Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. Hola subbies and como esta newbies. That's anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe not. You know we don't count around here. I just want all of you to come on in, come on in, come on in. Today, we got a quickie today, okay? And this one is dedicated to all those who are looking to strengthen their strands, okay? But without going the route of traditional protein treatments. Now, you know, I'm one of those. I don't use traditional protein treatments, you know, the ones that make your hair hard. I like to do other things, such as an Olaplex, which is a bond builder. It's not a protein treatment. It's a bond builder. But we've gone over a lot of these things, okay, that can really strengthen your hair. So besides Olaplex, number 3, we've gone over vitamins, okay, that are essential to hair health, like vitamin D, vitamin C, as well as foods that are full of proteins or protein-based foods. Because proteins is not just a topical thing, it should be an internal thing, okay? As far as eating the right foods and having the right diet that include proteins. But we went over all that, right? So I've got another one that you may want to put on the list. Now we've mentioned this oldie but goodie before, but I want to get more into it today because I'm thinking of adding it back to my stash, okay? Now, those who have been watching diligently and have been taking mental notes, this one should probably be familiar to you, as I've mentioned it, I believe a couple times before. Now, this one I used to use years ago, okay? Again, when I was first building my hair regimen, I wanted a protein, you know, I wanted to strengthen and plump up my strands, but again, without going the whole traditional protein treatment route. And this one filled the bill, okay? Now I happen to have my old bottle here. Okay, now this is pretty old, okay? Because they have since changed the bottle, but we'll get into that a little bit later. But it is Aubrey Organics GBP conditioner. Now, Aubrey's Organics has been around for a long, long while, okay? So they're not a fly-by-night company. Besides hair products, they deal with a lot of beauty products such as skincare, and all of these products are naturally derived. They don't deal with silicones, they don't deal with animal testing, they don't deal with parabens, okay? And a lot of their products are vegan or vegetarian. So it's free of a lot of the stuff that you don't want, and it has a lot of the stuff that you do want, okay, as far as the natural ingredients. And this conditioner is no different. So the Aubrey Organics GBP, what makes this special is that, again, it is naturally based. It's a protein conditioner that will naturally strengthen and moisturize your hair, as well as add shine. This conditioner is enriched with 75% organic botanical ingredients. And that means that it comes from plants, and we like that. And they all work together to rehydrate and re-energize weak and damaged strands. They also work to help keep split ends at bay, as well as it helps to strengthen those strands. It helps to condition your hair as well as your scalp, okay? So for all those with the dry scalp and dry hair, this may be for you. If you're looking for something that is protein based, it's going to add protein, okay, to your regimen, but not harsh. It's going to really impart the proteins and help build your strands, as opposed to assaulting them with protein. You know what I mean? It's not as harsh as other protein treatments. And what are some of these ingredients, Dolce, that are listed on the bottle? Well, I'm so glad you asked. Let us see. Besides organic aloe and shea butter, okay, that's in the mix, it also contains 3 herbs. 1, 2, 3. 3 herbs that are highly beneficial to hair, okay? The first one is nettle, which helps to minimize breakage to hair, as well as stimulate hair follicles and mitigate hair loss and thinning. Colt's Foot, which has antibacterial properties that can help address dandruff, as well as it promotes shine and the health of the hair. Oh, that's good. Also, horsetail, which is also said to be able to address dandruff, as well as it helps to stimulate hair follicles, thus promote hair growth. But wait, there's more. It is also said to strengthen and improve the elasticity in the hair as well. So there's that. And it has vitamins A, C, and E. Then you got to look at the name, GPB. So GPB, glycogen protein balancer. So what is glycoprotein? Well, I'm so glad you asked. Glycoprotein is basically a protein that is found on the surface of cells, and it is a potent mix of amino acids as well as intracellular proteins, and these working together have been heralded to basically strengthen and rejuvenate. Now for GPB, the glycogen that is found in this is sourced from oyster shells. So with that being said, and with all that underneath its green cap, and again, I think it's changed a little bit. I have a picture of the new bottle up here, right here. Okay, because I have the original. I'm going to finish it up. I think I have just a slither left, but it also comes in vanilla. Okay, so it has a vanilla fragrance to it, as well as I believe it comes in rosemary mint. And of course, that's going to help stimulate your scalp even more. So I was looking through my stash, okay, and you know, I got a whole video. I got to update my purge video. We're going to get right to it. I'm going to get rid of a lot of this stuff. But again, Aubrey's GPB, okay, made the cut, because I remember when I used it, I loved it. Like I said before, not only does it smell good, it just has a natural earthy smell, you know, for the lack of a better explanation, for the lack of a better description. It just has an earthy, pleasant smell. So with that being said, besides the smell, it did my hair some good, a lot of good, okay? I remember it being soft. I remember it being pliable. I just remember using this product, and like I said, I almost used it. I'm pretty much done. I'm going to use the little slither that's left, and I'm going to re-up on it. How about that? Why? Because why not? It left my hair soft, silky. I remember it being conditioned. I remember it feeling stronger. I remember it having a nice sheen to it. Besides that, it's a natural product. Okay, so that's good. And on top of that, it is a safe protein source. Again, I'm saying safe, but basically I'm saying that it's not a harsh source. It's not a source where, again, you feel like your strands are being bombarded with protein and they feel stiff and they feel overrun, okay, by protein. I believe that this is a great alternative or great add-on for those who are looking for a protein source, but for those who are looking for something as far as a specific protein conditioner or something that they can add topically to their hair as far as protein, I do highly recommend the Aubrey Organics. And again, I'm about to re-up on this, okay? I'm going to finish the little slither right that's right at the bottom, okay? It's a little bit, but I'm going to do that this week, okay? In fact, I'm probably going to do it tonight, okay? After we wrap this up and put a button on it, and when I wash my hair, I'm going to use this, okay? I'm going to use this. I want to use it up, and then I want to put another bottle, a new bottle. I probably get the vanilla. I like the thought of smelling vanilla. Plus, I like vanilla. I like vanilla ice cream. I like the smell of vanilla. I got the... Anyway, I'll probably get the vanilla, okay? The vanilla GPB, okay? But again, me going through my stash and me trying to get things right, you know, as far as the products. And you know how I am about my products. I may try something here or there, but you know I'm pretty locked in with my staples. I got my zhuzhes, I got my day ones, and I got my forevers, you know, in my stash. And like I said, this one brought back good memories when I saw it, when I looked at it the other day. And I said, "Ooh, we we had it good, right? We had a good relationship. It treated me right. It treated my hair right. It was just good to me. You know what I mean? This conditioner was just good to me. So with that being said, I'm going to put this back in my stash. And as soon as I get this, I'm going to revisit this and show you what I got and basically my hair afterwards, after using it, okay? Because I think that's only fair. I wanted to come in here and tell you about it, you know, but I just didn't get the new bottle in time enough. But don't worry, you know I'm on the case. I'm gonna order it, I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna use it, okay? And when I use it, I'm gonna show all of you guys, and we're gonna have show and tell, okay? But as far as the tell part, okay, the pre-tell to the show and tell, I wanted to let you guys know about this again, okay, because it's a good conditioner. And I know that a lot of us are still looking for good conditioners. This can be found online as well as in different health stores, okay? I want to say Vitamin Shop has this, and I believe even Whole Foods, okay? Whole Foods may have it. And it's pretty readily available. That's my whole point. You don't have to go to the moon to find it. That's my whole point. You don't have to go to the moon. You can find it right here, okay, at different stores. And those are just some of the stores where you can find it. And it's decently priced. I think it may be about $12 now, okay? But it's decently priced. And yeah, I wanted to share that because you know that we share around here. And I wanted to give you an update as far as anything that's going on with my stash. And like I said, I'm adding that back in. So it's an oldie but goodie, and it's filled with goodies. So all those who are still on the search and on the hunt, you may want to check. You may want to check this one out. I'm just saying. You may want to holler at Aubrey's, okay? I'm just saying. You know, I'm just a messenger. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to share around here. You know, just that's all I'm doing. I'm just trying to make connections around here. Okay, that's all I'm trying to do. So with that being said, I think we can put a button on this, huh? Okay. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out. Okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. We got more stuff on the list, and we got stuff to do. And we're going to do this together. So you got to come back for that. You've already been recruited. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. All right.